Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. Again, I am telling that our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So please feel free to contact us via these contact details if you have any mathematical query or anything, and if you want to join us as a student in our regular batches, or you can join our one-and-one sessions and our one online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI MTECH, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, etc. So please feel free to contact us via these contact details. Okay, so now I am going to solve a problem which is appeared in ISI MTECH QROR, and the question is telling us that if a, b, c are positive integers such that a square plus b square equals to c square, then show that a minus b into b minus c have to be less than equals to 0. This is a very easy question, because if we take our the given equation is what? A square plus b square equals to, sorry, minus ab equals to c square, where our a, b, c are positive integers. That means our a, b, c belongs to z plus. Now then this is happening. So okay, so I can write the thing, that means the given equation, I can write it in another manner as, okay, that will be same because I want to write in this. Okay, so now we are going to use it in the question, as now we are going to see the product of this which is written in here. Okay, so now I want to think about the product, so that is a minus c into b minus c. Okay, that will be what? That will be ab minus ac minus bc plus, that will be c square. So that is equals to AB minus AC minus BC plus A square plus B square minus AB. Then AB and minus AB will be cancelled out. So we will get A square minus AC plus B square. I am just rearranging the given equation. So, uh, so if we take the common factor out, so that thing will be easier in this case. So we will get A into A minus C plus B into B minus C. Okay. So after that, we are going to check about the options, or rather, I want to for it for my A, B, and C. Okay. So let us take in this thing as if we take our sorry, let me write it with another color. Yeah. So case 1 will be what? Case 1 will be when my A is greater than C and B is greater than C. Then what will happen? Then easily we can say that our A minus C will be greater than 0 and our b minus c have to be greater than 0. So as we know that our ab is greater than 0 and this thing will also be greater than 0, then the total thing will be greater than 0. So that is not a necessary case here. Okay, so this case will be ruled out. So again we have another case when we get a is less than c and our b is less than c. Then what will happen? Then we can say that our given thing is this thing, that means a into then our a minus c will be less than 0 and our b minus c will be less than 0. Okay, so a is positive and minus into this thing is my negative, so this product will be negative, and this thing is positive and this thing is negative, then this product will be negative. So negative plus negative, this have to be negative. But if we see that our a minus c is negative here and b minus c is also negative here, if we get product of this, then we will get positive thing. Then positive thing cannot be equals to negative, so then it have to be 0. Okay, so some positive thing is equals to negative thing, then the only case happens that that will be 0. And this case will happen if our B is equals to C or A is equals to C. But our but we have took that our A is less than C and B is less than C. So that is not a case for this. So this thing will be also cancelled out. So the only possible case for this thing, sorry, that will be on yellow color. So only possible case for this have to be A less than equals to C and B less than equals to C. Oh, sorry, A less than equals to C less than equals to B and B less than equals to C less than equals to A. These are the only possible cases when this all the things will be uh, in our favor. Then our A minus C and B minus C will always be less than equals to 0. As we can see that if they all are same, then it will be 0. If one of these are same, that means B equals to C or A equals to C, then we will get 0. So uh, in other cases, if our C is lying between A and B, then what will happen? Then our A minus C will be negative and B minus C will be positive. So the positive into negative will be negative. And if our B minus C lying between B to A in for this thing, our A minus C will be positive and B minus C will be negative. So we will get a negative result. Okay. So only in this only so as this thing happens, so we will get only this thing. So this is the yeah. So now again I am telling that if you so I hope you understand. Again I am telling that if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, please feel free to contact us via these contact details. Then you can enjoy all the services of our institution, that means which is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.